Welcome back to my channel, where we discuss all things baby-related. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on every parent's mind: introducing solids to your little one. As your baby grows, their nutritional needs change, and introducing solid foods becomes an exciting milestone. But when is the right time to start? Let's find out. The key to successfully introducing solids is to watch for signs of readiness in your baby. These signs include: Tip 1. Watch for signs of readiness. Sitting up with support and good head control. Showing an interest in food by reaching or leaning towards it. Loss of the tongue thrust reflex, which helps prevent choking. Once you notice these signs, it's usually a good indicator that your baby is ready to begin their solid food journey. Tip 2. The 6-month mark. While every baby is different, the general recommendation is to wait until around 6 months to introduce solids. By this age, your baby's digestive system is more mature, and they are better equipped to handle solid foods. However, it's important to remember that breast milk or formula should still be the primary source of nutrition for your baby during their first year. Tip 3. Start with simple, single-ingredient foods. When introducing solids, start with simple, single-ingredient foods. These can include mashed fruits, vegetables, or iron-fortified infant cereals. Begin with small spoonfuls and gradually increase the amount as your baby gets used to the new textures and flavors. Don't rush the process. It's all about exploration and allowing your baby to develop their taste preferences. Tip 4. Observe and adapt. As you introduce new foods, observe your baby's reactions and adapt accordingly. Look for any signs of allergies or digestive issues, and if you have concerns, consult your pediatrician. Remember, introducing solids is an exciting journey of discovery for your baby, so make it a positive and enjoyable experience. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more parenting tips and baby-related content. See you next time.